when you open Microsoft Word and you have access to this particular interface, and when you move to the menu bar, which is this particular bar that we have here, and by default we have the home tab selected. Now when you get access to the home tab, you have this ribbon that relates to the home tab, and this ribbon has been categorized into different groups. We have the clipboard group, we have the font group, we have the paragraph group, we have the styles group, we have the editing group, and also sometimes, depends on the kind of software you are using, you might have the add-ins group. Now when you get access to the editing group, we have these commands available, and we have the find command, we have the replace, and we have the select command. Now when you click on the find command, you get this navigation pane open where you can search for items within your Word document, and it can base on headings, pages, and also results. So any results that you are going to gain or obtain, you are going to have it displayed in this particular pane. Now when you place the pointer on this find option, it gives you the screen tip that says find text or other content in your document. So this is the function of this particular command, and when you click on the arrow beside it, we have find, which is the same as this particular command. When you click, this also gives you the navigation pane. Now when you click on this advanced find option, it says find and replace text using advanced search options such as match case and whole words only. Now when you click on this action, you have this beautiful window that says find and replace, and you can see that we have a lot of options here. I have a separate video that's detailed explain all these options that we have in this advanced features of find and replace option, and I'm going to link that video in the description below. Please check it out, and also you can check it in the iCard of this present video. Now when you move to this option, we also have go to, and when you click, this gives you this option or this window, and this also you get access to pages, sections, lines, bookmarks, comments, footnotes, where you can jump to these separate options by using the go to tab. And we have replace option. When you click, you also have this window that relates to that previous option that we clicked based on the advanced search, and you can collapse this and have this option, and this particular window helps you as a user to find certain content and replace them with other content. And also we have this select option. When you click, this gives you the options of select all, select object, select text with similar formatting, and also we have selection pane. Now when you click on the arrow, this also gives you the same options based on this particular action. Now in this video, I am giving you a quick review of these separate commands we have in this editing group, and I'm going to have a detailed video in my next video explaining all these commands. But as I said, when it comes to the advanced options or the find and replace option, I have a separate video, and I'm going to link that in the description below. So our focus is going to base on basic use of this find and replace option, and also we get into detailed of this select actions, which are select all, select object, select all text with similar formatting, and also we talk about the selection pane. And this particular selection pane is a powerful tool used in Microsoft Word, and it helps you to see a list of all your objects that you have in your content, and this makes it easier to select objects, change their order, and also change their visibility. So we are going to have a detailed video on these special commands.